I can hit drops, but I can't manual. But that's going to change today because we are building a manual trainer. But there's one problem. Where are we going to store it? There's no room in the garage or the shed, so we're going to make it foldable. To build the trainer, I used a door hinge, a bungee cord, a screw eye hook. First we cut an 8-foot long 2x6 in half, then we cut the edges at a 45-degree angle where the hinge will be so it can open and close. Because the hinge isn't flush with the ground, we are also cutting these 1-inch spacers that go in the bottom of the trainer. To hold the rear wheel in place, we are cutting a 19-inch long 2x6 backer for the rear wheel and two 24-inch long 2x6s to hold the tire. And for extra support, we are cutting two 2x6s at an angle for a brace to hold the rear wheel backer. In order to make sure the trainer is stable, we are also cutting a 29-inch long 2x4 and two 18-inch long 2x4s for the stabilizer. To prevent the bike from looping out, I screwed a hook and attached a bungee cord to it. If you enjoyed today's video, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.